My name is Michael Carney of Acker Accounts, and thank you for tuning back in to Tax Tools. This is Tax Tools number 3, tax planning, which is very important. A lot of people do not plan their taxes, do not understand it, or just ignore it till it's too late. But failing to plan taxes is planning to fail taxes. Or should I say, if you fail to plan your taxes, you are planning to fail in taxes and what you owe the government or the money that they keep that you could be keeping. Taxes are like math, as it is an exacting science. Your income is your income. Your tax bracket is your tax bracket. Your deductions are your deductions. And your taxes are your taxes. The IRS is only concerned about cradle to grave, the money when it's made and when it dies, when you pay taxes or write it off. Either way, in between there, you owe what you owe. And the figures don't lie. So what you do is you take your taxes once you figure out your deductions, standard deduction, itemized deductions, and you get you a tax amount. And from that tax amount, you divide it into 52, 12, or 26, depending on if you're monthly pay, weekly, or bi-weekly pay. And then that will be your weekly amount of taxes for federal that you should be taking out. Now, many of you play the exemption game where you say, I'm going to file exempt half the year, and then the other half I'm going to file what I'm supposed to file so I can have more money throughout the year. But time and time again, a lot of you come to me and say you forgot to tell the payroll to change your deductions back. So at the end of the year, you have zero to very low amount of federal taxes withheld out of your income, leaving you a big tax balance at the end of the year. And many of you come to the tax preparer in playing Russian roulette and don't have a clue what you're gonna owe or what you're gonna get back. And like I said before, it's an exacting science. So if you don't know how to figure it out, call me or call someone and figure out what you should be paying in taxes and what your tax liability will be at the end of the year. So when you go to the tax preparer, come to me, you have an idea where you're at or where you should be and what to do to fix it. We are now in November. We have less than 2 months to set up an attack. Now we can assess the situation, see where you're at, and put in tools to alter your taxes, to change your liability, to help you out into the year. And another situation that calls action is if you made a lot of money and you know you didn't file exempt, but you know you didn't pay enough taxes, we need to do something about that. Or if you had 1099s where taxes were not taken out, you know you're going to have a high tax liability. So there's something we need to do. There are things we can do now before the end of the year. It has to be done before the end of the year because it's still 2018 in order to be applicable when we do taxes in February or March. First thing we need to do is open a business. Get your business license. As a consultant, did you consult in crafts, party consultant, bodyguard, business consulting, any kind of consulting, dress consulting, what's this thing called right here? YouTube video consulting. Any kind of consulting is the best consulting to write off much of your tax liability as far as your clothing, cars, cell phone bill, a lot of stuff. So if you can find anything that you did or helped anyone with, go get a consulting business license operating from your house, and we can do a lot with that. Get you a notary. Go to the notary class. You still have time to do notary class. Get a business license. Family trust. You can get a family trust. Call me. Get a family trust, and we can help that work out. Or get you an investment account. There's multiple things that you can do The worst thing you can do is not do anything. Procrastination is not a good friend to hang around, because if you don't take care of your business will take care of you. If you don't do nothing with the IRS, they will not go away. They will just assess taxes and penalties daily. So it's best to take care of it, get ahead of it, be proactive, not reactive in this and everything in life. So call me, the number's on the bottom of the screen, or the email address, and we can make a plan, execute it, attack it, and then you can go forward from there. Once again, like this video, send it to your friends, share it, and subscribe to Tax Tools.